we want to give a special thanks to Zuru Mini Brands for sending these products to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Now let's check out some minis. And y'all, Mini Brands and Ulta have teamed up to make a new collection of minis. These are gonna look so good in my miniature vanity if they're 1/6 scale. Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's open this box and take a look. Okay, Zuru Mini Brands, loving the presentation. And now, here is our first look at Zuru Mini Brands Ulta Beauty Capsules. Priced at $9.99, these will be available at Ulta Beauty. We've got 6 capsules to open today, so let's get started. Confession, I am at Ulta all the time. I love skincare. A good facial scrub and a moisturizer is just everything. In the capsule, we find a collector's guide showing several different brands and minis of their products. Thank you. I like how they labeled each item underneath, so we know that this is the Super Lemon Drop Daily Detangler. We have minis by Drybar, Elf, Good Molecules, Monday, which is a brand we've seen in mini before, NYX, OPI, I hope these are 1/6 scale, Way, Redken, Shea Moisture, Supergoop, Tarte, Truly, and Urban Decay. I have that all-nighter setting spray! There are also a few Frozen Moment minis. And please forgive me if I pronounced anything wrong. I have my moments. We have 5 paper bags. They say Zuru Mini Brands Ulta Beauty. And I'm just going to carefully cut across the top because if we fold it in half, on the fold we can cut out a little circle or an oval. So when we unfold it, we have a little shopping bag. Now let's see what's inside. We got mascara from Tarte. It says Man Eater. Does it open? Oh, I think it does. Oh, it does. The end is flocked, so it's fuzzy, measuring a little over 1.5 inch. It's a little large for our 1/6 scale dolls. I'm gonna say it's more like 1/3 scale, like for a 24 to 18 inch doll. In the next bag, we have Unseen Sunscreen by Supergoop. This is about 1.25 inches. I think it can work in a 1/6 scale world. Here's my little handmade doll that is 1/6 scale, so you can see the size. And here it is next to the mascara. In the next bag, we have Glow Oil by Supergoop. I think we can totally use this with our dolls. We can see through it, and I like how there are details going all the way around. And now we have 2 of the minis by Supergoop. In our 4th bag, we have Monday Conditioner, which is totally going in the dollhouse. And our last mini is Shape Tape by Tarte. I think this too is a little large for 1/6 scale, but it does open. And here it is with our model. And that's everything from our very first capsule. I am loving the details and that some of the items can open. However, the scale does vary. But I want to see how these minis look in a doll room. So let's take our doll vanity that we made in a previous video. Let's cover the mirror so we can focus on the minis. The Glow Oil looks like a good size for our vanity, along with the sunscreen and the conditioner. Now, if we just wanted shelf filler, we could totally add these 2, but we know that they are not 1/6 scale and might be a better match for a smart doll. Let's open another capsule because we've got a vanity to fill. And I totally want to see which minis are 1/6 scale. We got 5 bags, and in the first one, we have... Is that Urban Decay? Yeah, it is! Definitely on the larger side. In our second bag, we have Brow Glue, which is smart doll size. And then we have Moon Dust by Urban Decay. I think we can get away with it with our 1/6 scale dolls. Our next mini feels like a box. Yep, Epic Ink Liner. But is it just an empty box, or is there something inside? Oh wow, there's a mini liner. We've got some pretty nice details there. I don't think this one opens. And I'm gonna say it's a little large for 1/6 scale. But I like that it's not an empty box and there is a miniature eyeliner inside. Not functional product. Just so we're clear. And our last mini for our second capsule is Urban Decay Eyeshadow Palette. And there's a little mirror in there. The palette itself looks like a sticker, and the brush looks like it's sculpted and printed. The outside feels flocked, and there is some gold foiling. I think we can absolutely use this with the dolls. Our third capsule is gonna give us more minis. So if we're getting 5 minis at $9.99 a capsule, we're paying about 2 each. Ooh, cute bottle. It's hair oil and it is finished all the way around. I think it works with 1/6 scale. And this is another mini bottle. It's for the scalp. So all you little rerooted dolls, here you go. Here are our 2-way bottles so far, side by side. I'm gonna use both of those in the dollhouse. And the next mini is, oh, we got Shea Moisture. It's coconut and hibiscus. It says hand and body scrub. This looks like it can open. Can it open? Oh, it can. Sorry, but do you see this? And I think this one is a great size for the dollhouse. Okay. More of that. And this is Shea Moisture. It's coconut and hibiscus frizz-free curl mousse. Can the top open? It looks like it can open. Oh, because it can. Again, I think it's a good size for the dolls. And our last mini for capsule number 3 is Shea Moisture African Black Soap. Did we just get 3 Shea Moisture products and 2 whey items all in the same capsule? All 5 of these totally work in our 1/6 scale world. In my opinion, of course, this capsule made me happy. And I'm hoping for similar results with this one. All right, here we go. In our first bag, we have e.l.f. Beauty Wand Contour. Does it open? Yeah, it does. A little overskill, but could still be used as details in a room. In the next bag, we have Liquid Filter. I'm gonna say this is Smart Doll sized. In our third bag, we have Lip Oil. This is also Smart Doll sized. And we just got 3 e.l.f. products in 1 capsule. Are we gonna get a 4th in our 4th bag? And that's, no. We got Dry Shampoo by Dry Bar. This one looks like a good size for 1/6 scale, and the top can be removed, which is a fun detail. Here it is with the doll. I wonder if this one's another Dry Bar product. Let's see. Yeah, the Tress Press. It's a box, and there's a mini inside. It doesn't open, but I think it's a good size for the dolls. Oh, and I think you're supposed to open it this way. My bad. Opening capsule number 5, where our first mini is OPI Nail Polish. This is definitely Smart Doll sized, and it can open. And you know what? This looks like it could totally be a miniature vase. Just add a few flowers, and you're good to go. We can also use it in a store display, so we do have a few options if we want to use it in our 1/6 scale world. Kinda liking the idea of a store display, you know, like oversized makeup, letting you know where the nail polish is. Oh, and here's another one. Or we can just use it with our Smart Dolls. I have a feeling this is also going to be nail polish. Let's see, we're gonna do it in 1 take. Yep. I got 3 nail polishes in 1 capsule. I am totally hoping that this one is going to be 1/6 scale. We got Good Molecules Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. It's a little container, and it looks like the top can come off. It can! And you can see some gel inside. Well, you know, it's not real gel, but yeah. I think it can work with the dolls. And our last mini for capsule number 5 is another item from Good Molecules, and the top can open. This one does look a little large, but we can probably get away with it. And here is capsule number 6. I only need one more product to have all of the Shea Moisture. I wouldn't mind more Super Goop. It looks like a good size for our 1/6 scale world. Oh yeah, I would love more of these too. And we haven't seen anything by Truly yet. So hopefully our last capsule will come through. Oh, it's nail polish. Oh wow, are we about to get 3 more nail polishes in the same capsule? And we got our first double. And this one is another nail polish. And also a double. But that's okay, because we have 2 more. And our last one, or second to last one, is also a double. We got Good Molecules again. And now our very last one for today is Good Molecules Toner, which is kind of large for the dolls, but I'll probably use this one anyway. Since we got a few doubles, I like the idea of using the nail polish as a miniature vase. So let's just paint it. I used a little nail polish, then take a few artificial plants and push them into the opening at the top to make a small vase of flowers that we can place on our vanity with the other minis. Overall, I like the details. Many of them can open. However, the scale does vary, with some items being a good size for smart dolls and the like, and others that can fit in our 1/6 scale world. I think our miniature vanity is perfect for displaying a miniature collection, and I will be sure to put the link in the description box below, so the dolls can have their skincare. Thank you for joining us while we checked out Ulta Beauty Mini Brands. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.